I'm Alif Bliss, and I'm reacting to now real sounds. It looks like I don't know if it's this is I think part three. It looks like she got a little bit more muscular. I did a part one and a part two before. This is a part three. Let's see about getting into this one. She finna rip bro in half. She finna she it's like basically she gonna rip bro in half. Funna. I don't know why. I don't know what the weird word for me. Yo, she looks pissed. Yo. Hey, yo. For real. Yo. No, I don't know about that, though. Oh, that's funny, though. It went from the non-laughter to laughter. Says, yes, I am the one who washes the dishes, bro. Damn, like an anime manga, bro. What is with you guys with this situation? Oh, I feel. Damn. What is double entendre right there? Double entendre. Reminds me of that one joke. I am the one who knocks. Oh man, bro, that line's just not funny. Anyway, hopefully you guys subscribe. Hopefully you guys like. You don't even have to ring the notification. I just want some subscribers. That's all. Anyway, enjoy your day and have a nice one. Bye bye.